We will go from being a nation of tax collectors and toll masters, of bureaucrats and busybodies, of gatekeepers and grandees, of rulers and rule makers. Instead, we will be a nation of explorers and entrepreneurs, of adventurers and artists, of workers and warriors, of patriots and hard-working fellow citizens. My friends, we are going to restore the promise of Canada, that anyone from anywhere can achieve anything, that hard work gets you a great life in a beautiful house on a safe street, wrapped in the protective arms of solid borders and brave troops under a proud flag. Canada, let's bring it home!